Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you another app that I use in Emparly, and it is called Clickly. So Clickly is in the bottom left right here. So we're going to click onto Clickly. And let it load. Now Clickly, let me describe Clickly to you. It is also like Bitly. Now Bitly is very popular and a lot of people join it, but you have to make payments. Now you don't want to make payments, right? And monthly payments. Why not get Clickly and join the Emparly platform where all in one tools are all gathered together. So you get a lot of marketing tools, and Clickly links is the same as Bitly. So I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to create one for you. So we're going to create new, and I am going to use let me see what I did with that. Okay, I'm going to use one of my links here. Let's see. How about selling my books on Skrindle store? So let's make a copy of it. This is my destination for Skrindle.com. It's a marketplace where all Scribbles and Emparly clients and all marketers upload their books. If you're part of the team of Emparly, if you're part of Scribble, everybody uploads their books there and you can sell them there. Now you can also create your own ebook stores too with Skrindle. And Skrindle is another app that you can use to market your books. Okay. So let's name this Marketplace. Did I spell it right? No. It's Marketplace. Alright, so you want to hide the Skrindle.com, and you can put here whatever you want. Let's see. Bookstore. I don't think I have that one. Bookstore. And create it. Link is created. Okay. And there you go. Clickly.net bookstore. So if you click on this, and this is the Skrindle bookstore. Okay, everybody uploads their ebooks here. If you're part of Scribble or Emparly, there is a store available for you to upload your ebooks and sell them. And there's people here all over the world, so which is a good thing. Alright, so you can copy, you can share it, you can edit your link, or you can delete it. And see, as you can see, I have a few links that I have used, and that's how I hide my affiliate links. Okay. And you can use it for landing pages. You can create funnel pages, and connect it to your email list. And there you go. All right. Thank you for watching Clickly, featured by a marketing tool from Emparly. Have a great day.